Alright, so this is me testing out this small, very basic contract that I built. Basically, you can stake, borrow, and repay and withdraw your money. So before I start, this thing is not going to run until I start my blockchain. So I first of all have to come here because I'm using a local blockchain Anvil. So I've already started my blockchain, and this is my chain ID, and it's listing at this local host. So after this, I can now run my deploy script. Where is it? So yeah, this is my deploy script, and if I run it, sorry, come down here. Yeah, if I run my deploy scripts, I have this the contract that is in charge of whatever is going on here deployed. So I have to get my MiniLend contract address. Where is it? I'm going to make it to just happen automatically instead of me copying and pasting. So paste it here, get my mock USDT address, paste it here, and I load the contract. Contract is loaded. Let me see if I have any message on the Anvil. Oh, I think, okay, yeah, this is the output of me running that contract that is running my deploy scripts. So I've loaded everything, and it's time for me to connect my wallets. So if I connect my wallets, I'm going to see my address, OXF39. Yeah, this is it here. I don't think it is safe unless you want to send money there. It's not even advisable to send money on a local blockchain. So what is going to happen here is that I'm going to stake 1 ETH. Let me open this terminal to see what will be going on at the same time. Yeah, I want to see what's happening here on the blockchain. So if I stake 1 ETH, let's see. What's going on? I loaded the contracts now. I did. So okay, let me make it full. Stake. Okay, I think 2 popped up, so I'm going to cancel 1 and confirm 1. So I have 1 contract and 1 ETH staked. If I open this terminal, we see request failed. But actually, what I'm expecting to see is 2 transactions. Okay, yeah, I think this is it. I don't know what the hell is going on here. That's a lot. But let's just come down. So if I am to borrow USDT, let me say 500 for example, borrow. Somehow I want to know what's going on here. Confirm. Oh, on my quick log here it said borrowed 500 USDT, but here on the blockchain there is a lot of RPC requests failed. I think this should be a mistake from my own end, so I'm going to look into it, because basically what it's trying to do is trying to read from the local blockchain to know what actually happened and display it here, but somehow it's unable to read that. For the borrowed USDT is 500. I can still borrow up to 500. Please, I need to convert this available to borrow to a readable what they call it, number. This is actually displaying what the blockchain is saying. I have to change that. So okay, let's just borrow additional 500. Okay, making it 1000. You know, I made the price of it to be $2,000, and you can only borrow half of the price. Let me try to borrow another one to see if it will work. Mind you, you have to forget about what this log is showing, because even if the contract fails, it's going to tell you that you actually borrowed 500. Why it's not going to reflect on the borrowed USDT. If I confirm this, it shows borrowed here. This one didn't increase, and I didn't see any failed transaction. Oh my god. Okay, let's borrow again, which is going to make it $2,000. Oh my god, this network fee is very, very high. This is not going to work, but let's just click on confirm. It didn't work, so the transaction failed. Obviously that's what's going to happen. Let me look at two transactions are meant to fail here, but fortunately is okay. Two transactions fail, but I don't think this is what happened. This one is saying that it worked. Oh my god. Okay, it is meant to fail. So let me just say I'm done with what I want to do with the money, and I want to repay 500, and I prove that honestly I really need to learn a whole lot of things here, because wait, was anyone able to capture what's happened, like the available balance before? Okay, let me verify again to know if it's going to show me 0, because it's supposed to show me 0. Yes, that is the maximum I can borrow. So let me repay the 1000. If I repay the 1000, I have to approve it. And repay. I think I need to find a way to make these quick logs scrollable, so that whatever is happening should be going down, and this quick log is showing the wrong information. Alright, so it's time to withdraw my ETH. Let me know if I can withdraw half. 0.5 withdraw name C. So what is meant to happen if I click on 0.5? It should be seeing that 0.00000005 something. Yeah, it actually worked. So, and if I withdraw again, it should be empty. Yeah, and it's empty. And let me try to withdraw again. Oh shit, see network fee, very, very high. Let's confirm, and that transaction should fail. This one is no longer updating. It's no longer updating. Okay, look at this. It showed withdrew. How come? Alright, so this is the end. This is just a quick demo, and to show you how imperfect the system still is, I'll have to stop it here. Thank you.